Everybody, back for another video. I can only make this video 8 seconds long, so I'm going to be pausing in the process. So I'm going to try to make this video short as it can, so I don't run much storage out of my phone. But I'm going to go grab my Logitech, my computer speakers out of my dad's black truck, because I stuck them in there for a while. Since we had the new house and all that move-in stuff, so I'll be back, or I can bring y'all guys with me. So let's go get my Logitech out. I'll be out there to see y'all. So I'll be back. Alright, yes, it's currently raining right now, but this back door should be unlocked. No, it should be for real. Alright. Okay, so the process of get my computer system out, or computer speakers, is I have to lift up the back seat and they take the subwoofer out. Once I get the subwoofer out, then I take and pull the this back part with that Logitech up there, that satellite speaker that's hooked up to the subwoofer underneath the seat. So I'll be doing that. I'll resume the video, because I'm gonna pause it, save memory, and try to make this video short as possible, like I said in the beginning of the video. So I'll be back. Alright, so I'm gonna go back inside, put my subwoofer inside. This is what it is. Logitech, obviously. So Logitech. Oh shit, I'm not supposed to be grabbing it by the cords like that, but yeah, Logitech. I know it's backwards because front facing camera. Gotta get inside before it goes inside. Alright, set it right here by the front door, and then it's time to go grab the satellite speakers. I'll be back. Well, I'm trying to do it quick as possible with the video on. So let me get back to the truck and I'll be back resuming the video. Alright, so I'm back resuming the video. Okay, so the way that I have the satellite speakers is, this needs to be out of the way. But so I have it running down there, which is, there's a plug now, and then the satellite speaker just slide right out. Simple. So yeah. So anyways, I'll be back in the house and I'll resume the video in there. Alright, so I'm back. So how I originally want my Logitech to put it at, or like, I gotta put these feet back on it. These feet that go on the Logitech subwoofer. I gotta go put those on. Let me go find a screwdriver, and I'll try to put one on while I'm trying to record. You know, so, but yeah, so Phillips screwdriver. So we should be on the way of doing it. So I'll pause. I'll resume the video back. Me putting together, or putting these feet back on. Oh no, I'm almost there, so why not? Alright, so I'm gonna do it on video, like I said. So take the subwoofer, flip it right here, and what we're gonna do is I'm gonna do it like this. So these feet, see how it has this deal on there? That's gonna go in there like that. And then I'm gonna grab one of the screws out of my pocket. I stuck them in there, and then drop it down there, and then tighten this bad boy up if I can get it lined up. Bam. She's tight. Alright, so that's what she said. That's what he said. So anyways, I'm gonna resume the video after I got all 4 of them done. So I'll be back. Alright, just want to let y'all know that I'm still wanting to try to do a house tour of the new house. But right there behind me is my dad's bedroom, kitchen, painting on the wall, or canvas. That's canvas. And then this is the couch, the big sectional That one reclines. That one reclines. That one does. And that one does. So, where's the speakers at? They're both right there. One right there, and then one right there. There's two right there in the same position. And just want to let y'all know, those are the other rooms. That's the big massive TV. There's my little dog right there. And then there's our big fireplace. That's fireplace that we figured out what we wanted and stuff. This house. So, yeah. So I'm going to have these Logitechs like this. So like that. One facing the other like that. Because for a reason. Let me go grab my laptop and I'll be back to give y'all a demo of it. So I'll be back. So I'm going to go ahead and try and load up a song on here. Put my password in. Bam. Oh shit. There we go. Alright. So, the song that we're going to be playing is, first we're going to play ZZ, shit, or ZZ, where is it, ZZ, like Code Black, or Code, Black, so I'm gonna go ahead and play that, give y'all a decent sound demo of it, all the way. Here we go.
DA got that dope.
They're moving. Alright, let's cut this song off before I get copyrighted. Oh god. Oh shit, here we go. Alright, so, if you enjoyed, please like, share, subscribe, and comment, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye!